Okay, on to part 3, third and final. Here's where we were. And I am drawing out of the box on this other wall, on the opposite wall, the upper level, to do the second window on that side. Push that through 6 inches. Looks like it's not giving it to me, so I'm just going to guess. Well, that didn't go right, did it? What am I doing wrong? I do not have the DWG in the right spot. Aha! So let's make sure I get that resolved first. It looks like it's in the right spot. Maybe the wall isn't? There's that. There's the DWG. Well, it's definitely off. Something is off. It looks like I might not have rotated the DWG correctly. Okay, so let me resolve that. Gotta get that blue one to come up. Come on, blue. There we go. Mischief managed. Alright. Going into here. Draw my rectangle. Try this one more time. There I go. 6 inches, there's my hole. Okay, now I want to get that window on the side. I think I'm going to actually calculate that one though. So the next thing I think I'm going to do is the stairs. So I'm going to do the stairs off the section, which are right here. Here's my section. And I'm just going to draw one tread, like that. And I'm going to extrude it out what I know the width of the stair is, which I believe is 3 foot 4 inches. I might be wrong, but we'll see what happens. And I'm going to triple click it right away and group it. Then I'm going to move a copy of it from one corner of it up, and I'm going to hit the control key to make a copy to the other corner, and then I want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 6. That gives me those. Then I'm going to take all of these and move a copy of them, rotate that copy of them I just made 180 degrees, 180, and then move from that point up to there like that. And then I'm going to draw the landing as a separate component, like that. And then I'm going to extrude him out to the edge of that stair and out to the edge of that stair and group them. So now I'm going to select all of this stuff. Group it, stairs, entity info, stairs, and I'm rocking and rolling. So now I'm going to move this guy into position. So the way I'm going to do this, I think I'm going to actually pick a point like this. Let me pick this point, the outside wall. So I'm on the outside wall. You can see in the section the outside face of the wall. And then I'm going to go over here and place it kind of, well, let's see, I have to actually spin it around, don't I? Well, I'm going to place it where, like, get on there. Is that the right spot? It is. Right there. So it looks like I got to rotate it around, and then I can see where it is in plan, right? It's right there. So I'll rotate it first. 180 degrees. I'll move it. I'm going to move it along the red axis until it aligns with where it needs to be in the plan. Can I get it to do it? Taking a little bit of finesse. There I go. Then I'm going to go here. And the first thing I can notice right off the bat is I made my treads too narrow. So I'm going to go into one of them, double click. Now I'm in one, see how it shades out the ones that aren't active? I can see that. And then I can just push pull this one and it does all of them. All of them exactly the same. Now of course these guys up here I'm going to need to move, right? So I can select these guys, move them so that they're up against that wall. And then my landing is a little bit off. So I got to go into there. And push pull that to there. And there we go. Stairs are in. Now I just got to change these walls, right? Because this is a little bit off. I'm going to need to do a line right here to make that a separate plane so that I can push pull this down to the underside of the landing. Let me just get it to there first and then I can get it up. There we go. And now I can see my landing is a little bit short, which I can fix by going into the landing itself. Pull it out to meet it. There we go. Now I know where this window is, right? So I can go into the walls here, and I'm going to actually do it like this. I'm going to go from here sort of see it there, right, to there. And then if I look at the plans, I can see that I believe that that's a 2'6" high window, correct? 2'6". Where's the end point? End point. Like that. Like that. What happened there? Why did those turn into the same plane? There we go. And then I can, kind of clean this up a little bit. That, delete that guy, and I'm done. Then I can go into Windows, make this window 1 inch. What you doing here on me? 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches. Group it. Now that should be on the Windows, main little Windows layer. And now the last thing I'm going to do is just move all these windows and get them into the right place. So you can see that these two are grouped together, which is fine, I guess. I could probably not do that if I didn't want to, but I'm just going to make sure I get these all moved correctly. Just move them in. Don't ask me about the noise. I have no idea what that's about. It's either a bad HVAC system in my building or an alien invasion, zombie apocalypse. I'm not sure. And there I go. There is my model. So looks like I've got some extra planes here, right? So let me see what's going on here. Yep, got an extra plane there. I can delete that. My floor is turned on, so that's what's going on there. So I might want to mess around with materials. I might want to get some more windows in. I want to do these windows. Let me just verify where this window is located. What was that? 3 feet, looks like. It looks like it actually just aligns with this guy, right? So I can just do this. Should probably do that with my pencil tool. How novel an idea would that be? Wrong. Wrong. 1 inch. Other side. Just going to get this one line in here before I erase this, which I plan to do. Actually, you know what? I just don't even want. Let's see. What's the height of this thing? 1.6. Just going to do that, and then I'm going to hide the elevations so as to not drive myself too crazy. Did I do that too thick? I think I did. Other side. Like that. Move this guy. I'm going to put this on the, let's do upper level windows. And I'll put it on that layer. Same with this guy, upper level windows. I still want the escape command to work, and it just doesn't. So there's my roof, my upper floor, there's my building. I have modeled it. So what I have left to do is the porch and the floor on the upper level, so let's do that